What is up, my super duper fabulous madam people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your very own arcade shooting game using cardboard. But before that, a massive shout out to Nicole and Germany for making her very own ATM machine and cardboard maze game just like mine. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So now, go get your crafting tools and let's begin. Let's first make the easy parts of this arcade game, which is the cabinet and the targets. Grab a piece of cardboard and stick them together to form compartments for the targets. Cut out small pieces of cardboard and glue them together like this. Now we're done with the easy parts, let's now make the launcher. Get 3 popsicle sticks and place them together like so. Then mark both sides of the popsicle sticks and cut them. For the chips, you can cut out circle pieces of cardboard or even use small coins. Cut out a piece of cardboard and stick the 2 popsicle sticks. Next, glue some pieces of popsicle sticks to these areas. Grab a rubber band and place it to this area. Cut out pieces of cardboard and stick them into the launcher. press the handle for the launcher, get a clean toilet paper roll and glue it at the bottom. Once you finish all these steps, you're now ready to design and make your arcade game pop. Oops. Yeah, Charmander is out. Meowth is out. Ooh. So that is how you make this cardboard shooting game. I hope you liked it, and if you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and might as well ring that bell to get notified in my future uploads. Now I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, for your endless support, Yo fam. Thank you so much. And again, this is Yowawerts. Stay creative, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!